Rocket Money Honest Review 2024 Pricing Pros and Cons. You won't believe how budgeting apps have transformed in 2024. Rocket Money promises subscription management, expense tracking, and financial insights, but is it really worth using? The surprising truth is automation. Most people get this wrong by assuming budgeting requires manual tracking. Rocket Money automatically detects recurring subscriptions, bank transactions, and bills, giving a clear overview of spending and saving opportunities. One major advantage is savings. You won't believe what happens next when you see the app can negotiate bills like cable and phone for you, potentially lowering costs without effort. It also provides alerts for unusual spending and upcoming payments, helping prevent overdrafts or late fees. The platform offers both free and premium tiers. Premium includes advanced tools, subscription cancellation, and automated savings strategies. Pricing is competitive, with monthly fees offset by potential savings. However, there are cons. Automatic subscription management is limited to participating services, and privacy-conscious users may hesitate to link financial accounts. Some features are behind a paywall, and results can vary depending on personal financial habits. In conclusion, Rocket Money in 2024 is ideal for users seeking automated expense tracking, subscription management, and financial insights. While privacy and premium features are considerations, the combination of automation, potential savings, and actionable insights makes Rocket Money a valuable tool for managing personal finances efficiently.